have a company.
Yeah.
Use this machine to me is very good.
Yeah.
Very easy to use. And machine very good now. We got used the old one before, but this machine more powerful and more speed. Thank you for Albert just show me everything about this machine.